solving equations. We have 5x plus 4 on the left side of the equation. We have 8x minus 5 on the right side of the equation. Now our problem here is these 8x and 5x, we want them to be together. That's a smaller number, that's a bigger number. So we want to collect our x on the right hand side so that we always get a positive value. So to do that, if I were to take away 5x here, then I will have no 5x after this on the left side. If I were to take 5x on the left side, I must take 5x on the right side. What do I get from here? So 5x take away 5x is 0. I have 4. And then 8x take away 5x, I have 3x. Minus 5 is still there. Now again, what am I going to do? I want to have only 3x on one side. So we'll do one thing at a time. From 8x, 5x, we change it so that our x is on one side. And now with 3x and the number, we want only 3x on its own. What we need to do now is let's get rid of the minus 5. To get rid of minus 5, we just plus 5. I've gotten to write down the minus 5 here, so plus 5. Plus 5 on the right, and then plus 5 on the left. I will have then 3x on the right, because minus 5 and 5 is 0. 4 plus 5 on the left gives me 9. So what do we get from that? 3x is equals to 9, therefore x must be equals to 3. That's quite easy, because 3 times 3 is 9. Next one, you have a bracket with a number at the front. So what you do is just multiply into the bracket. We call this expanding. 3 times 3x is 9x. 3 times minus 2 is minus 6 equals to 5x plus 10. Again, we have 9x and 5x on two sides of the equation. We need to make sure that we have our x's on the same side. 9x on the left, 5x on the right. That's a smaller number. Then I take the smaller one away, take away 5x, take away 5x. Let's see what happens. 5x take away 5x, 0. I have 10 on the right side. Here, 9x take away 5x, I get 4x. Take away 6. So what do I want? I want 4x on its own, which means I need to plus 6 here to get rid of the negative 6. I have to plus 6 on the right hand side too. So that's 4x on the left. On the right hand side you get 16. Now I'm going to show you this calculation here. 4x is equal to 16. To get x, I have to divide that by 4, and I divide that by 4. Where do you go from here? 4 and 4 cancels down. X is equals to 16 divided by 4 is 4. That's your final answer.